Hello, just a quick video about our 2019 VW Crafter. Fitted it out with the help of YouTube, so it's a bit of a payback really. Someone might see what I've done and get a few tips like I did. It's a all-wheel drive model with rear locking diff and all-terrain tyres, so yeah, we really like it and enjoy going away in it. So anyway, hope you enjoy it. So yeah, on the outside here we've got a drop-down table, a bit of storage in there. There's a exterior tap as well for washing your feet, and yeah, some bug screens, keep the bugs out. So yeah, so we tried to maximise the space because we've only got a 6 metre van, but yeah, hopefully we think we've done a reasonable job. There's a bit of storage here. We wanted a good size eye level fridge, good size bin. You always have heaps of rubbish, and a yeah, flexible space. This shower is pretty unique. That folds out to give you a good size shower for this size van. You can still pass through there. And it's a ceramic electric flushing toilet. We have a return to tank water hose here, so you don't waste any water while you're waiting for the right temperature to come through. The shower sits in a stainless steel tray with 2 drains because you don't always park level, and over that we have some recycled King Billy fence palings. Works really well. The kitchen's quite a good user space. Has an induction cooker because we don't want any gas. The fold down part of that bed is just for the feet. The rest of the mattress is a proper made inner spring mattress, which is 1.7 wide and 2 metres long, so it's quite a big bed. But with this cutout where the feet go, gives you access to plenty of storage, and yeah, just more user space, more drawers and storage under here, even a wine rack there. Yeah, works out really well. So the bed can be made into 2 singles with a walk-through access, and also with the bed up I can carry 5 wheelie bins if I've got to, or 3.6 metre lengths of plaster. There's a space heater plus a diesel water heater with 4 outlets, so it keeps us nice and warm in Tassie. And storage here for the diesel. It's a sealed storage. And some insulated cards we put on the back window for keep us warm. And then for up north we have these bug screens so we can leave the doors open. We've got 320 watts of solar on the roof, and a Omnistor Windguard antenna, and a antenna for the smart TV as well. In the side door we have access to our electrical, 200 amp hours of lithium, 2 kilowatt inverter and DC to DC and all, etc. Plus access to the toilet cassette. And also there's a bit of a climbing wall here with a couple of steps to access the roof rack, and a similar setup on the back wheel there too to access the roof rack at the back. So we've got, we removed the spare tyre from underneath and put a 130 litre water tank, purpose built, and then built a spare tyre holder, of course. And yeah, so that's about it. We really like it, and yeah, we love the fact that it'll It's only 6 metres long. We park it uptown and it only uses 10.5 litres per 100. So anyway, hope this was helpful to someone, and cheers for now.